How does Nestage work? Nestage operates in two layers to cater to different financial goals. Layer 2, Nestage Decentralized Matrix. For this layer, every Nestage participant is considered equal. Nestage's Decentralized Matrix is an additional earning structure that allows participants to earn rewards from their direct partners, second-level partners, third-level partners, and overflows. Level 1, direct partners you invite. Level 2, partners your Level 1 friends invite. Level 3, partners your Level 2 friends invite. This layer creates a sustainable income stream by leveraging the power of community growth. You earn rewards from the actions of all three levels. The more people in your network, the more rewards you can earn. Overflows are earnings from your upline's activities in the program. You have the potential to cease working and still generate substantial income from your engaged community. You earn 1.5 BUSD when your Level 1 partner registers on Layer 1 and an extra 2 BUSD when they activate Layer 2, 3.5 BUSD in total for your direct partner. You also earn 1000 NST points. You earn 1.5 BUSD and 1000 NST points for your Level 2 partners. You earn 1 BUSD and 1000 NST points for your Level 3 partners. Activation fee is 5 BUSD. Advantages of Nestage Affiliate. There are no limits to how much you can earn/refer. You earn from your team forever. Instant transactions from one wallet to another. Very low network fee.